me that super green robot right now!
I am so sorry, Toby. This robot is too expensive. My wallet is completely empty.
No! You do not love me! I want that green robot!
Please stand up, Toby. Everyone is looking at us. Let us go home now.
I am leaving. But I am still very angry with you, Mom. Mom is so mean, and she never buys me anything. Ash, what is that loud noise downstairs in the middle of the night?
I am so weak today, Sarah. I dropped my wood tools.
This is all our money left. We must buy medicine for you and new books for Zoe.
Rest well, David. I will go sell our fruits and bring back medicine.
Mom and Dad have no money left. And I shouted at Mom for a silly toy.
I must sell all these fruits in the cold morning to buy medicine.
Come on, Bibo, stay quiet. We must follow Mom in the rain.
The morning wind is freezing, but my family needs me.
Good boy, Bibo. Let us protect our brave Mom today.
This hill is so steep and slippery. I must keep pushing.
Oh no! The cart is slipping backwards! Help me!
Mom, hold on! I am here to push the cart with you.
Why are you here in this freezing rain, my boy?
Do not worry, Mom. Push on 3, and we can get to the top. 1, 2, 3, push! We made it up the hill, Mom.
You pushed the heavy cart for me. You are such a good boy, Toby.
I do not want any expensive toys, Mom. I only want you and Dad to be happy.
Fresh and sweet apples. Warm bread for a cold morning.
Bless you, little one. Keep the change.
Here are your warm breads, sir. Thank you for supporting our family.
You are such a hard-working young man. Here is $5 for the apples.
Look, Mom. We sold almost all the apples. We have money for Dad's medicine now.
We are all done, Toby. Let us go to the pharmacy and head home.
Stop right there! Drop that money box on the ground.
No! You cannot take this! Stay back! My money!
Give me the cash, woman.
Let go of my mom right now. Do not touch my mother. Leave us alone.
You think you can stop me, kid? Get out of my way!
I am not afraid of you. You cannot hurt my mom. Bibo, go get help. Fast!
What is wrong, little dog? Is someone in danger in that dark alley?
Stop right there! Police and security are here!
We got him. You cannot steal from a hard-working mother.
Here is your money, ma'am. Your son and your dog are true heroes.
Thank you so much.
Good boy, Bibo. Your long ears really saved us today. Dad, please drink this warm soup and take your medicine.
Sarah told me everything. Toby, my brave boy, come here. I am so proud of you, son. You protected our whole family today.
Let us build something special with our own hands, Toby.
A green wooden robot with movable arms and a warm wooden heart. Ta-da! Close your eyes, Zoe. I have a special gift for you. A green hero robot made of real wood. It is so beautiful. This is the best toy in the world because you and Dad made it with love.
We do not need expensive things. Having each other is our greatest treasure.
Love, kindness, and hard work make our home the warmest place on earth.
Always love your parents and cherish your family. Goodbye, and see you in the next story.